Greetings, everyone. My name is Saumya Chaturvedi. I'm an assistant professor in SGND Khalsa College, Delhi University, and I'm going to be presenting my paper on the topic Green Effects of Economics with Empirical Evidences that I have co authored with Dr. D.D. Chaturvedi, who's also affiliated with the University of Delhi. Now, we all know that there is a conflict between the unlimited ends and scarce means with competing uses, which constitutes the basis of all economic problems. The problem is essentially a choice between the present and the future. In fact, there's a Chinese saying that goes about like, he who cannot see beyond the dawn will have much good wine to cure his headache at dusk and only rain water to drink for the rest of the day. So, economics resolves the conflict between dividing the resources of the economy to the production of capital goods as well as to promote the research and development activities. In this paper, we'll talk about the idea of optimization. The idea of optimization is implicit in every decision making, whether it is a consumer's choice of consumption basket, a firm's production decision, or economy's resource allocation problem. In all such decisions of normative economics, objective has to be fulfilled given constraints like technology, raw materials, etc. So here we are dealing with economic optimization. Such optimization techniques are of great use to individuals, business firms, economy at large, and they have green implications, which result in an improvement for the human well-beings as well as social equity. So we're here talking about the environmental risks, and such an economy is called green economy. When we talk about green economy, it involves curbing negative impact of human involvement through application of environment science on natural environment by producing products that satisfy for customers' need for quality, performance, affordable pricing, and convenience without detrimental impact on the environment. The green evolution can be categorized into three stages. The first phase of the green revolution is the ecological phase. The ecological phase talks about the solution of the problem of environment at the very basic stage. The second stage talks about implementation of cleaner technologies for preserving the environment. And the third phase is called the sustainable phase, which incorporates green marketing that we're going to be discussing here. Now, the these three phases that we just talked about constitute the three pillars of sustainability. Now, talking about the objectives of this paper, there are five objectives. First, we talk about the first objective is to explain the role of economic theory in producing and promoting green products. Second one is to examine whether green products function as effectively as non-green ones. Third is to assess whether green products are cost effective. Fourth is to verify whether the product choice of the consumers is only based on their basic need. And lastly, we want to test whether the consumers will be analytical, eager to learn, and or cynical about corporate claims for green products and prepared to pay a higher price for the same. So, like conventional marketing, green marketing also faces the four challenges of the four P's, which are the product, price, place, and promotion. Now, when we talk about conventional marketing, the business houses try to solve a problem with their product or service. Now, this is based on the different needs of the consumers that they're trying to target, which could be on the basis of their need for work, for comfort, durability, safety, and so on. Alternatively, when we talk about the environmental aspect or the green marketing, here we try to develop environmentally responsible products to have less impact than the competitors. So these products could be products that are made of recycled goods or that are themselves recyclable or reusable. They are organic in nature. They're efficient in a way that they will help us in conserving the resources, like saving water or energy or oil or money, or minimizing their environmental impact. Besides this, there could be other things that will help us in preserving the environment in some way. Second is pricing. Now, we all know that any consumer is ready to pay a premium for a product or a service if he has a perception that this additional benefit or will add on to the add on to the performance or the function or the design of the product or the visual appeal, taste, something. But as opposed to this, when we talk about green products, the environmental benefits are generally an added bonus, but will often be the deciding factor between products of equal value and equity. More or less, we can say that environmentally responsible products are less expensive when their product life cycles are smaller in comparison to the normal ones, like fuel efficient vehicles. But then again, the decision is um, based on how much a consumer wants to use an environmentally friendly product. Third P here is the place. The choice of where and when a product should be made available will play a significant role for the target customers. Marketers wishing to launch green products should position them broadly in the marketplace where such that they are not just appealing to a small green market niche. This is because very few consumers will actually go out of their way to buy green products. So the location must be consistent with the image marketer that the image that the marketer wants to associate with the project. Now, talking about the last P, which is promotion. Green marketers will be able to reinforce environmental credibility by using sustainable marketing and communication tools and practices. For example, many financial companies have started using emails instead of written documents because this is the way of adopted by them for conserving paper. So instead of using paper, they're sending emails. So e-marketing is rapidly replacing traditional marketing methods. Further, when we talk about printed materials, they can be produced using recycled materials and efficient processes such as waterless printing. So retailers are trying to they're recognizing the value of alliances with other companies. They're recognizing environmental groups and organizations while promoting their environment commitment. So, in this paper, we have taken the empirical evidences from Philips, light marathon, electrical sector, construction industry, car sharing services, Indian examples also, and some recent research. So, I'll just give a few examples because of the paucity of time. I cannot discuss everything at length. For example, in the case of Philips Light Marathon, in 1994, Philips launched Earthlight, a super energy efficient compact fluorescent light, CFL in short, as environmentally preferable substitute for the traditional energy intensive incandescent bulbs. The product was again reintroduced in 2000 under the name Marathon with 5-year life. This new design had versatility of conventional incandescent light with energy saving of more than $20 over the product's lifespan compared to the other incandescent bulbs. These bulbs were certified by the US Environmental Protection Agency's Energy Star label, and ultimately they recorded a sale of 12% in the mature product market on account of convenience, ease of use, cost savings in the era of utility costs and electricity shorts. So this is just one of the empirical evidences that I have studied. In just to conclude, I would like to say that environmental products should be designed to perform better than the alternatives. There is a need for educating consumers through marketing messages connecting environmental product attributes with desired consumer value. Green products must meet or exceed consumer expectations by delivering their promised value and providing substantive environmental benefits. And water needs purification to ensure dirt, germ, pollution free water flow in the environment. And renewable clean energy should be encouraged. And government should invest in socially responsible environment driven projects. We must stop playing havoc with our green environment. And there is a need to encourage the use of sustainable technologies on account of limited natural and other resources. With this, I would like to conclude and spread the message that go green. Thank you.